Amidst the dispute between the Delhi and Haryana governments over Yamuna water pollution, the Election Commission has directed the Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal to submit factual evidence by 11 a.m. tomorrow. Drink if you dare was Arvind Kejriwal's dramatic response to the Election Commission's demand for proof to support his claim that the BJP's Haryana government attempted genocide by mixing poison in the Yamuna water supply to Delhi. He added, "We have 4 bottles, we'll send one to each of them." The commission also sought answers to 5 questions, including what kind of so-called poison was used, who detected its presence, and how and where it was found. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah has asked Arvind Kejriwal to let people know which poison has been mixed in the Yamuna per his claims. This after the Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini took a couple of sips of the water from the river Yamuna and hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that there is no poison in the water coming from Haryana to Delhi. He alleged that the minds of Aam Aadmi Party leaders were in fact filled with poison, to use his words. Arvind Kejriwal did respond saying that the Chief Minister spat the water out and that he did not actually drink it. So ahead of the big Delhi elections, the war of words clearly at a fairly low ebb.
अरे केजरीवाल जी, कौन सा जहर मिलाया है? जरा नाम कहिए। कौन सी लेबोरेटरी का टेस्ट है? नाम कहिए। आप कह रहे हैं कि जहर पिया, मिलाया हुआ पानी हमने रोक दिया। अरे जमुना का जल रुकता है तो गांवों में बाढ़ आती है। कोई गांव में दिल्ली वालों बाढ़ आया है क्या? अरे जोर से बोलो भैया, आया है क्या? एक केजरीवाल चुनाव में हार को जान गए हैं और इसलिए इतनी हल्की और ओछी राजनीति कर आपने यमुना को प्रदूषित कर प्रदूषित पानी पीने के लिए दिल्ली को मजबूर किया है। और आपने जल बोर्ड के स्वच्छ पानी देने के सारे पैसे आपने आप पार्टी के भ्रष्टाचार को भेंट कर दिया।
मैं इन लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूं कि आप दिल्ली के लोगों को जहरीला पानी भेज के उनकी हेल्थ के साथ, उनकी सेहत के साथ खिलवाड़ करना चाहते हैं, उनकी जिंदगी के साथ खिलवाड़ करना चाहते हैं। हाई अमोनिया का पानी जो है वो छोटे छोटे बच्चों के लिए इरिवर्सिबल डैमेजेस कर सकता है, और आप हमें धमकी दे रहे हैं कुछ करने की बजाय कि हम केजरीवाल को जेल में डाल देंगे। डाल दो जेल में, मेरे को अभी अभी जेल से होके आ रहा हूं, केस कर देंगे, कर दो केस मेरे ऊपर, लेकिन मैं जब तक जिंदा हूं हम अपने दिल्ली के लोगों को जहरीला पानी नहीं पिलाएंगे।
अरे वही केजरीवाल था जिसने पहले ही चुनाव के अंदर ये कहा था कि यमुना को साफ करूंगा। अगले चुनाव में कहा कि मुझे एक और समय दे, मैं फिर साफ करूंगा। जब दूसरा भी समय दिया, तीसरे समय के अंदर अब उसके पास कहने के लिए तो बचा नहीं कि मुझे और समय दो, क्योंकि हरियाणा स्वच्छ और शुद्ध जल वो दिल्ली को दे रहा है। दिल्ली के हमारे लोग हैं, हमारे परिवार के सदस्य हैं, परंतु अपनी स्वार्थ राजनीति, स्वार्थ सिद्धि के लिए अनर्गल प्रचार करते हुए कोई भी मुंह में आए वो आरोप लगा दे, ये आरोप असहनीय है।
The political tension in Delhi over the water crisis has escalated into what is now being called the Delhi water wars. The BJP has staged a unique form of protest against the Aam Aadmi Party, with the BJP leader Parvesh Verma vocally criticizing the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. In a symbolic gesture, Verma released balloons during a protest, each carrying the message Kejriwal ke paap, to perceive or to highlight what the BJP perceives as mismanagement and corruption by the Aam Aadmi Party government in handling the water supply for the national capital. This protest underscores the BJP stance that the public's faith in the Aam Aadmi Party has significantly diminished because of the ongoing water scarcity issues in the capital. The water crisis in Delhi has become a focal point for political contention, with accusations flying between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party over the management of water resources.
यहाँ की जनता ने ये लगाया है एयर बैलून, और इसके ऊपर लिखा है केजरीवाल के पाप, जो दिल्ली की जनता छोड़ना चाहती है सारे पापों को। यहाँ पर 6 बोर्ड लगाए हैं, एक ये है कूड़े का पहाड़, और ये दिल्ली में गंदा पानी आ रहा है। जो दिल्ली की हालत हो गई, यमुना पूरी खराब हो गई है। तो ऐसी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है केजरीवाल जी कि हरियाणा से पानी छूटेगा और दिल्ली के 1 करोड़ बीजेपी वालों के घर में अलग जाएगा और आपके घर में अलग जाएगा?
Well, currently we are present at Connaught Place, and let me tell you, before the Delhi election, there are very dramatic developments that are currently happening. We are showing you in the visuals. It is the BJP leader and also the candidate from, the New Delhi constituency, Parvesh Verma, who's holding that big balloon in his hand, which you can see right here. That in fact, you can see that Kejriwal ke Paap has been written all over it. And currently you can see that he is releasing that balloon of Kejriwal ke Paap into the air. You can see that how in fact we are showing you the live visuals currently that he is releasing that Kejriwal ke Paap balloon that he has brought here at the Connaught Place and releasing it into the air. While symbolizing that it will be the people of Delhi who will be giving the mandate against Kejriwal and voting him out of power just like this because of his, misgovernance for the past few years, and also in fact the lies that Kejriwal has spoken to the people of the national capital. You can see Parvesh Verma is present here with the supporters also, and some who claim to be, the residents of the New Delhi constituency present here. And with all of them, Parvesh Verma is releasing that balloon into the air, as you can, rightly here, in fact, here see. And in fact, here, I'll just, like to show you here that in fact, what Parvesh Verma goes on to say, that this is, what will be the people's mandate on the 5th. People will be voting Parvesh Verma out of power. With camera person Stephen Anthony, this is Ishka Verma for NDTV.